Once again, in recording of transaction, first class 11th question 21. And today we will do question number 21 of your NCRT book, which is mentioned here. Cash in hand 6,000, cash in bank for 55,000, stock of goods 40,000, due to Rohan 6,000, due from Tarun, and it is sold goods to Karna. Cash sales, goods sold to Hina, purchased from Rupali, goods returned from Karna, cash received from Karna, check given to Rohan, cash received from Hina, check received from Tarun, check received from Hina 2,000, cash given to Rupali 18,000, paid cartage 1,000, paid salary 8,000, cash sales 7,000, check given to Rupali. Sanjana took for personal use, it's a drawing 4,000 and paid journal expense. So this, first of all, we will do the journals of this chapter, this question. So journals in the books of Sanjana, date, particular, LF, amount, debit and credit. So actually in this question, it's written the previous points also. So cash in hand debit 6,000, cash in bank 55,000, and closing stock account debit 40,000, Tarna account 10,000 and Sanjana. So to give to Rohan, it is a credit 6,000 and to capital account, this 4 plus this minus this 6,000, 1,05,000. Now next it is sold goods to Karna. So it is other entries we will also do. So assets and liabilities. Opening stock entry of assets and liabilities. Karuna account debit 5,000 to sales account. Sold goods to Karna. Then after cash sales 10,000, so cash account debit 10,000 to sales 10,000, cash sales to Karna. Then after per sold goods to Hina, so Hina account debit 5,000 to sales account 5,000, cash sales to Hina. Then it is purchase goods from Rupali. Again, it is a credit purchase. So purchase account debit 80,000 to Rupali 30,000, 30 and 30,000. Then it is after goods returned to Karna. So which was being purchased. So sales return account debit 2,000 to Karna 2,000. Goods returned to Karna. Then after it is cash received from Karna. So cash account debit to Karna being cash received. Now in the next entry we will see of 15th check given to Rohan. So Rohan account debit 6,000 to bank 6,000, check issued to Rohan. Then after on 16th it is cash received from Hina 3,000, cash account debit 3,000 to Hina 3,000 being cash received from Hina. On 20th January we will see cash received from Tarun, so cash account debit 10,000 to Tarun 10,000 being check received. Then on 22nd it is check received from Hina, so we will write cash account debit 2,000 to Hina being check received because it is not deposit in bank. Then after cash given to Rupali, Rupali account debit, it is 18,000 to cash 18,000, cash paid to Rupali. Then after paid cartage, so cartage account debit 1,000 to cash 1,000, cartage paid. Then salary paid, so salary account debit 8,000 to cash 8,000 being salary paid. And last and the least, Sanjana took for personal use to cash sales, cash account debit 7,000 to sales 7,000 being cash sales. Next we will see about Rupali account debit to bank 12,000, 12,000, check issued to Rupali. Then again Sanjana took for personal use 4,000, so goods drawing account debit 4,000 to purchase account 4,000. Then journal expense account debit 500 rupee and 2 cash 500 being journal expense. Now this was the journals. Now we will do the ledger posting. First accounts comes of this, it will be of cash account. The first account will be of cash account. It is we will see ledger posting cash account, and this side we will write the debit point and this point is the credit. Okay na? So actually there are too many accounts also. So cash account, 2 cash balance 6,000, then 2 sales 10,000, 2 Karna 13,000, the henna which we have purchased done on 16th, 2 henna 3,000, 2 henna Tarun 10,000, 2 henna 2,000, and 2 sales 7,000 on and on credit side. Buy Rupali 18,000, buy cartage 1,000, buy salary 8,000, buy general expense it will be 500, and balance carried down it is 2,35,000. Total it is 5,01,000. Now bank account next. So buy Rohan 5,000, buy Rupali 12,000, and by balance carried down 37,000. Total it is 55,000. इसके बाद तरुण अकाउंट बनेगा. तो तरुण अकाउंट बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन 40,000 and to balance account 40,000. 40 and 40,000. Next account will be the closing stock. So first of all, buy trading account 40,000 which was left, and buy balance carried down 40,000 and 40,000. First is this. Then Rohan. So buy on 1st January, buy balance brought down 6,000, to bank 6,000 and 6,000 which we have paid. Now capital account after this. So to balance carried down of last year 1,30,000, it is 1,05,000, and buy balance carried down 1,05,000. Then henna account. So 6th ko on 2 sales it is 5,000 and buy cash 3,000, and again on 22nd January we paid 2,000, to 5 and 5. Then sales account. So buy Karna it is 15,000, buy cash 10,000, buy henna 5,000 and buy cash 7,000, total 32,000. Buy trading account it will be 37 and 37. After this purchase account, or we can also write it is as a goods account. So on in the beginning it is 8th January, Rupali account it is 30,000, buy drawing 4,000, and rest trading 30,000 minus 4,000 it is the 26,000. Then Rupali account, 2 cash 18,000, to bank 12,000, buy goods account or purchase account 30,000. इसके बाद sales return account, buy to Krishna 2,000 and buy trading and profit and loss account 2,000. Cartage account, cash account 1,000, buy P&L account 1,000. Salary account 2 cash 8,000 and buy P&L account 8,000. Drawing account to goods account 4,000 and buy P&L account 4,000. So these were the some of the account questions of question number 21 of your NCERT book. Thank you for listening, all of you.